Hey guys, Buddy Valastro here, and I'm backstage at the IBIE, and I gotta tell you, coming out and seeing the show floor packed with so many different vendors and so many different bakers and so many different people from all over the world is truly inspiring to me. I'm like a kid in a candy store because I'm able to kind of see new equipment, understand new technology, see the new trends in baking, and most importantly, meet with other bakers. When you come to shows like this, you meet with other bakers and you really could build your own relationships and friendships, sharing recipes, sharing tips, sharing tricks with other bakers in the industry. So I've been coming here now, probably too long. It's been too many years, but seeing the show grow is really inspiring to me. My favorite part is probably the equipment. Even if I don't need the equipment in my facility, I'm always amazed on how things work. So just to be able to kind of see, and then sometimes you take inspiration from certain machines and can apply it to your workplace. I could tell you that over the last 10 years, we've done a lot of automation and a lot of different things, and shows like this have helped me not only find the right equipment, but build the relationships, because you want to have that relationship with the vendor that when there is a problem, you call and they're there. So I would definitely recommend coming to the show, whether you just want to see the cake decorating competitions, maybe hear some of the seminars about problems that we face in our business. What's the trends? What are the flavor profiles? Or just come hang out. It's a fun place, and hope to see you next year at IBIE.